Hey, what is up everybody, welcome to the random stuff. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Royalson spectacles that I bought from Amazon for rupees 399. So we're gonna be unboxing this right now. So I ordered the product with the Amazon Prime membership and I got it delivered within 2 days. So let's just start unboxing it. So here we have the bill and the spectacles box. Let's just keep it aside. As you know, the brand is Royalson. Let's just see how it looks. This is what we have inside, and we also have discount card along with it. So here we have, let's just open it. So we have a cloth and just the spectacles. Let's see how it looks. So this is made up of metal and this is also metal, and it is covered with the plastic. Here we have the logo. Okay, never mind. So we got the logo there. I don't like the finishing because it just left some plastic around here. I cannot focus it properly. I will just post down the photos and I will show you how it really looks. The plastic around the screws is just messed up. It's not finished perfectly, and let's just try it on. So this is how the frame looks when I put it on. Looks good to me, but I'm not satisfied with the build quality because the finishing of the material is just not good for the price of the product. So I don't recommend you this product. If you are looking for a frame with good quality and good finishing, then this is just not right for you. But if you want just the looks of this frame and you don't care about the quality, then you can just go for it. I would like to show you this frame that I bought for rupees 100 from the roadside, and this is the one that I bought from Amazon. You can see there are just little bit differences of that this whole thing is made up of plastic and it has a little bit of metal, and it doesn't have screw and all that, but it just looks one and the same almost, and the quality also looks same. The plastic used in this looks almost same as the plastic used in this, so I'm not satisfied with the quality of this product. Otherwise, if you just care about the looks and not the quality, then you can just go for this frame. So if you found the video helpful, just give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.